Hello and welcome everyone. I apologize if there's some background noise, some construction noise, because we need to change the way the heating of which the house has been, and this entire sort of neighborhood is being driven by gas, and we are switching to something else. An unboxing. And I bought this. This is a very nice, perhaps you see it in the thumbnail. I don't really know the thumbnail that I'll use yet. Goes up like this. It's from Yaqi, so I expect it to be good. And I'm very excited. This should be a tiny box, so a tiny unboxing. Let's see here if we can get into it. A pair of scissors as the weapon of choice. And here it is. Very little box. Says here DLC Yaqi. And let's see. What did I get? Perhaps I'm reading it in the thumbnail. Nice weight to it. And doesn't seem to be that big. But hopefully it'll do the job nonetheless. It's the stainless steel razor stand. Let's get it open, shall we? Nicely packaged. Nice, very nice weight to it. I must say, very nice weight. Small, it's compact. I bought it because I wanted to see if my Rex would fit into this. Let's see, perhaps it doesn't. Nope, it does not. And I think I did some research on this, but I wasn't really that thorough. Let's see if the T2 could fit. That fits. So I think for shaving, using the T2, I'll be using this stand. It's slightly wobbly, but not much. There's a hole at the bottom. Does not sound very nice. So yeah, that was it. Bye bye.